come back to your main project. Add your text in white color. Make it bigger and duplicate it. Press Ctrl-T to resize or adjust as you want. Click the text layer, convert to Smart Object. Again press Ctrl-T, choose perspective and adjust. Now it starts to look stylish. Next, go back to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. This time set it around 7.6. Again, go to Filter and Distort and Displace. Set horizontal scale 40 and vertical scale 40. Choose Wraparound Press. OK. When asked, open the PDF file you saved earlier. Go to Blend Options. Set the Blend Mode Overlay and Opacity 34%. That's it. Now you have a smooth shadow text displacement effect with a modern look.